Good morning, guys. It's another week and we're still in quarantine. For today's video, this will be a random studio vlog again. So this is just a typical Monday morning and I am eating my breakfast. I'm having some hot dogs. And I have this canvas cloth here that I'm planning to paint today. So as of the moment, this actually serves as my backdrop or my background for my flatlays, for some videos and for some pictures that you can see on my Instagram. That's at MaeSomething. So there are some instances that white plain background is kind of boring sometimes. So I plan to paint on this. Since this is a huge canvas, I can just section them into 4. Then I can paint 4 different designs or 4 different paints. So I can just switch it over on my liking. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Yeah, let's go. So this is how big it is. So I'm gonna fold this into 4 parts. And this size is just right for my table. So there's a perfect size for the table. So we just have to get a canvas and we'll have to staple it there. So I will just staple here the cloth so it will lay down like this and it will be easier for me to paint on it. Let's see how it goes. Let's go. So this was actually a painting I'm supposed to submit to just IS like 1 year ago, but I was not able to finish it, so I just made it like a swatching area, a practice area, but I'm planning to paint it all white again so I can reuse this canvas. So let me just show you some paintings I made here. I use acrylics for this, so let me remove this tape. So I have here some swatches. This painting is for the social climbers. So as you can see, this lady is sitting on an elegant chair, naked, but she's only showing her gadgets, her brand new shoes, posting it on her social media. And yeah, that's the actual message of this painting, but unfortunately I was not able to finish it, so I was not able to submit it. But there, before I paint this again, let me show you some details of the painting. I really love painting this kind of subjects, like this vintage thing here. And if you know the vintage frames, I also love painting them. See that thing? See the details? And I believe I really still need more practice for the skin tone. Really more practice. But this was actually 2 years ago, so I believe there's an improvement with my skin tone. Okay, no more talk. I'm gonna be using this gun tacker to staple this cloth here. Let's begin at the top. Alright guys, so I have my things ready here. I have a pail of water, my large brush, and I have to paint a base paint first. This is just white acrylic paint. I will need some black paint, white paint, and a palette knife, I guess. A rusty palette knife. No, don't use rusty. I just don't have any choice. And I'll also use some big brushes, I guess. And yeah, let's see. I paint on the canvas, so here it is. Let's go. Ooh. Let me use a wider palette knife. It's actually not a palette knife, but I use this for scraping paints. I believe I also mentioned this on my previous video. Here, for the second time. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm done with this first background. It's like a distressed table, so that's what we're aiming here, and I guess I was able to reach my goal. yeah, I'm happy with the results. So we're now going to paint this other side. Some of the sides will just be plain colors. So I would just need to remove this because we have to move it this way. So this one will have a full space for the back. So let me remove the staple wire. For this one, I'll be painting this light blue. Yeah, just plain light blue. So here it is. Wow, blue, light blue. For this one, I want to have this more distressed, so I'm adding like some strokes of black using a dry brush. So as you can see, it actually do not blend the colors. Just leave some stains like this. You can see. So right now, I'm adding gold. I want this to look and appear more distressed. So yeah. So paint gold again. We're just painting it like a dry brush technique. So the paints will just stain the actual canvas. I will not paint the whole thing. So as you can see, that's how it looks so far. We now have two backgrounds for FLATLAY that are dry, and I'm gonna cut them so I can paint the other two. Hey guys, so while I'm painting, we receive a package, and here it is. So it's from Panther. This is actually a chair because I'm having back pains whenever I work here. So now I have this, and I'll be unboxing this with you guys. We're done assembling this, and this is how it looks like. It has the same color with this third background we're creating. See that? Light pink. And aside from this one, I also bought their headset. It's the Panther ROG X gaming headset. Well, I won't be using this for gaming because I'm not a gamer, but I'll be using this for editing. Because as you all know, I'm the only one editing my videos. All the videos are created online. That's all by myself. And I can also use this while I'm working from home because we also need a headset. Yeah, so while waiting for our third background to dry, I will be unboxing this, and excuse for my dirty fingers. So here. So it's covered with, it's like a foamy thing. And here's how it looks like. It actually has a microphone. Here, my face is so emphasized. And it has a USB type and these two cords here. So what's good about this is that it's lightweight. It has a noise cancellation microphone, comfortable earmuffs, and intense RGB lighting. What I like about this is the noise cancelling thing, and of course the comfortable earmuffs because look, it's so squishy, it's so soft, and hopefully the bass here is so good. And yeah, this is the headset I got from Panther, and the chair, the Panther chair. And yeah, let's go back to painting. Alright, so far, these are the backgrounds we have created. I have here a textured one, it's a distressed one. And I have here a plain light pink, plain sky blue. And I have here the last one, and I'm planning to have this in a darker shade because I don't have the darker shade yet. I'm planning to have gray, a dark gray or teal. Let's see. Here we go. Wow, that's teal. Alright, so we're going to remove this as well. Wait, what the fuck is there? Oh, there's still staples. So let me just remove this. Hey guys, so this is the last one we have painted. So it's supposed to be teal, but it became plain black. Here are the 4 canvases that we have painted. So I have here 3 plain colors. I have the black, blue, and then the light pink. And this other one is the painted or the printed one. So as you can see on the screen, that's how it looks like whenever we use it as a background or as our backdrop for FLATLAYs and even on videos. And yes, that's our video for today. That's a random vlog, and I hope you have learned something from this, and I hope you have enjoyed it. And before we end this video, please leave a like. You may also share this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We can also stay connected on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. That's at MaeSomething. And yes, that's all for today. See you on the next video. May all have a good day. Bye!